Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to do slow and quick format of any external drive or USB pendrive in Windows. So without further more delay, let's begin. So firstly, before proceeding, just insert your USB pendrive on your respective Windows computer. Then after that, just go to this PC and you can see here my USB pendrive, right? The USB pendrive is being shown in my file explorer. So the first method how you can do a slow and quick format is just right click on the respective USB drive and you can see your option format, right? Just click on it. Now you will see a format window. So below you can see here format options. By default it's selected a quick format. So if you select or tick mark this quick format and click on start, it will quickly format your respective USB pen drive or your external drive. So if you untick it, that means it will slowly format your external drive or USB pen drive. So I'll highly recommend, if you can't wait for a long time or long hours, then just select this quick format and click on start to format your respective external drive or USB pen drive. So this is the first method. And the second method, what you can do is just go to the start menu and just search for one program named as command from. As you can see here, command from. Just open or launch this program. Now here you need to type some commands to do a slow and quick format for your respective external drive or USB pen drive. So before proceeding, just go back to this PC and confirm which drive your USB pen drive or external hard drive is showing. So right now in my case it's showing a E drive, right? So in your case it might be different letter or alphabet. So kindly note the alphabet before proceeding with the command from. So say you want to do a slow format, then what you need to type is you need to type format, hit space and the drive letter. So in my case it's a E drive, so type capital E and after that just put a colon just near to it and you can hit enter. Then the slow format will get started. And what about the quick format? So for the quick format it's almost the same, just you need to add one more command. After typing this command which I have typed earlier, just you need to hit, after typing this command you need to hit a space and after that just put a slash and type a Q. So once you type this command, then it will quick format your external drive or USB pen drive. So after typing this command, just hit enter to do a quick format. So insert new disk for drive it, so it's detected, and press enter when ready. So press enter to proceed. Now it has detected your USB pen drive or USB drive. Now you can see quick formatting. It's showing the size, that is the free space of the USB pen drive. Now hit enter to finally continue the final step. Now you need to wait for some seconds or minutes depending upon how big your external drive or USB pen drive is. So have patience until the complete formatting is done. So finally the quick format has been completed. So once you see again the below this kind of message or the text, then your quick format has been completed. So let us go to this PC and now you can see we don't have any files inside it anymore. So these are the ways how you can do slow and quick format of any external drive or USB pen drive in Windows very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks how to do slow and quick format of external drive or USB pen drive in Windows, then definitely you should try these cool tricks. So if you find this video information useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.